In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome download location. First, go to your Google Chrome, and here at the top right corner you will find three dot option, and then at the bottom you will find the settings option. Click on it, and here at the left corner you will find a bunch of options available in your settings. From here you need to click on downloads, or if you can find this option you can simply search on the search tab, and here you will find the exacted settings that we are looking for. And but click on downloads, and here you will find the location, and click on this change option. Now you can select the location that the download file will store on your PC. You can choose any disk or desktop or photos, videos. I'm going to choose desktop for now, for example. Now click on select folder to select this download path. Now for example, if I download something from or some image or for some file from Google Chrome, then it will be appear on my home screen. Just for example, I'm going to download this from here, and as you can see it's already appeared in my home screen. So that's how you can change the download location in Google Chrome. It's pretty simple, right? Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.